Hi guys, how you guys doing? So yesterday we came back from Brighton. Oh my God! And went to pick the kids up, and they were all excited but absolutely tired because same week my daughter went on a school residential for 2 days, and apparently she didn't really sleep properly, and I totally understand because new bed and sleeping with friends in a dormitory and all that new experience, and yeah, she couldn't really sleep, and we already have this weekend booked for ages that they have another sleepover. So I didn't honestly realize that it was all concentrated or saturated in 1 week, and maybe I should have done something, but again they've been looking forward to it, so I didn't really want to cancel. So it happened, and it gave us the ultimate break experience as well, to have like a weekend away, and it was absolutely excellent experience, and the weather was perfect because it was like 20 something degree, like one of the hottest day in the UK, and just being by the seaside, the sea breeze just make a difference. Yeah, so today's Monday. My house, guys, my house is upside down, like just a lot of things out of where they should be. Like most of the rooms, they're just upside down. For example, I'll show you example. Like this shouldn't be here, for example, and things are just not where they should be. So I'm going to town. So there's this Massimo Dutti dress I have here. I'm going to happily return it because I've tried it on so many times. I didn't really like it. I think the size is just a little bit off, and I have a jeans. I bought two jeans from Mango, so it's different color, but somehow the blue one fits me better than the black one. This is mass production. When there's mass production of things, sometimes things you could just fit the same line and everything, they will fit properly, and the others will not fit properly. Anyway, I'll just quickly give an update about my new sandals I bought. This one, these sandals, honestly speaking, this is what I used. You can see I used it all weekend. It's really is nice, but I'm not too sure about the wrinkles I'm getting. These little wrinkles, is it meant to be like that? But in terms of comfy, it's very comfortable. You can bag actually match this shoe, so this is what I used all weekend. I really love it. So my house at the moment is chaotic. I don't know if this happened to you, so I'll show you some. Like, things are just everywhere, and the kids, they just came this morning, everybody's scrambling, and oh, I don't like it when things are like that. So anyway, I'm going to just quickly go to town, return the stuff, and probably when I come back I need to do a quick bliss just to quickly clean everywhere, and do a bit of study. I need to edit, and yeah, I have a lot to do actually. Anyway, let's go. So guys, when I got to my local town, I did some vlogging, but for somehow I lost some footage of this vlog. It's so annoying. Honestly, it's really annoying. Anyway, I decided to take myself to Zara to see what's new in their collection because I was looking for some dresses. Summertime, summer holiday was approaching. Then I saw this green dress. It really caught my eyes. I tried it on. I really love the shoulder area of this dress, the twisted bit of this dress. It was so beautiful, and it had a slit at the side as well. But for some reason, I didn't really buy it. So that's that point that I really like. It just honestly so mature, so nice. To be honest with you, I think I need to start wearing some underwear shaper thing because I don't really like the way my tummy was sitting there. I have two kids, I can't really do anything about it. So, but it's such a beautiful dress, but I didn't buy it anyway. I just left it behind. So I tried this other dress on. So this orange dress is the color for me. It was honestly popping. It was beautiful. I just love everything about this dress. Honestly, guys, I need to do something with my tummy area. I know I'm slim, yeah, but thank God I've had two beautiful kids, and this is my tummy at the moment. But I just don't like the way it shows. Maybe I have to look for a shaper that will kind of snitch it in for me, or I need to do more sit up also. So this dress was so nice, and I'm wearing my flats there. But when I was looking at the proportion or composition of this dress, I think it was 100% nylon or so. I think that just was like a turn off for me. I was just like, no, I'm not going to spend all that money and buy something that will make me sweat on a hot day. So this is the reason why I just left it behind. I was just like, no, it's not happening. Then I saw this one. I just really love the print of this dress, and I love the tropical details that you can see, the embroiderment that they've done. The back of this dress, I love the fact that it's open and you can kind of crisscross it. It's really beautiful. So, and it has like a linen blend, so this dress was not so bad. But I'll tell you what, it's just like the armpit area, you can see the strap just a bit too, just a bit short rather. It was a bit squishy under my armpit. It didn't really sit well properly. I'm 5'10" tall, and my boobs area, it wasn't giving. You can tell that it's not right. It just looked like a doll, as if a doll was putting on this, and just a little bit kind of centimeter would have done it really nicely, but I left it behind as well. Then I saw, like waistcoat is on trend at the moment. Then I saw that they hung this outfits together. Then I thought I'm going to give this one a go. But my dear, it just make my leg look shorter because the trouser is a bit too short on me. I have long legs, and because it's not sitting properly, it just give me that illusion of like my legs are short. And the waistcoat as well, I think is a bit too short on me as well. Everything, is not even complementing my body type or my body at all. I have to be very intentional these days when I'm picking out pieces, because I have to really factor my height so that things will fit really, really nicely. So anyway, I took myself after all this hard work. I didn't buy anything. Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's a beautiful day, a sunny day. Everywhere just like so beautiful today. So I'm just in my garden center house. Yeah, so I'm just here to pick some plants. Usually, guys, sort of late May, no, late April, May, I would have done my planting. I would have planted my pot and everything. I tell you what, this year I didn't even have any motivation, nothing at all, to do any of my pot for years and years. Even my daughter was just like, Mom, we have not done our plant, because I can't tell you the last time I bought plants. Like, that's last year. Usually I will buy even little plant here and there. I didn't have any desire to even come to this place for the part. I don't know what's wrong. So the weather is lovely today. Then I thought, you know what, let me just come and pick some geranium or hydrangea, just to kind of spice the garden up a little bit, just to put a bit of color and just to make the patio area looks lovely. It's just incredible. My head space is just in another place. So that's me. That's what I'm wearing today. Just wearing a short. I don't know if you can see, sweaty Betty shorts, because the weather, guys, is so hot. Honestly. Oh, this is so cute. I would like one of these in my garden. Something just spinning. I like the fact that they've covered it, so it has this cover thing. How much is this one? This one is 300, 2-seater. Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah, that looks nice. I always enjoy coming here now. Like, my mood completely changed now. Ooh. Those are cute. There's too many things. Oh, these are lovely mats. Oh. I like this one. How much is this? £7 for one. £7. You have to times 7 times 12 for 8. My goodness. I would love something like this. Because we're thinking of doing a summer house in our garden. I would just love like something like this. Three for 12. So exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. These ones are quite good. So guys, I just repotted this plant. You know the plant I bought, so I've potted it, put it in this vase. I actually quite like this vase because it's white in color, and when that is in a full bloom, it's just going to be beautiful. So I'm going to put it here because when you're looking through the house, so you will just be seeing this really nice color here. Basically, I've been doing this gardening under the tree because it's really warm. I don't know why the leaf of this tree is actually falling. A bit weird. So basically, I've done the basket. So I bought this basket today. So this is like heavy duty basket. I thought I'm just going to splash out a little bit because this would last for a long time, basically. I think for years and years, and it's really nicely done. It's very solid, and I bought it for £20. So next year I'll buy another one. So usually I do buy the basket one. After some time it starts kind of, you could see it start falling apart, and the wire is not too solid, unlike this one that the wire is really good. So the chain is really good. So this one, I think I'll use it this year, and next year I will I'll buy another one of these. So I'm going to do another pot and put this potonia. I still have 8 left. It's still quite a lot. Maybe that will be 2 pots. This one, I think I paid £8. I bought it last year. Can you believe it that I did not pot it? It's so shameful. So this year I'll just do it today, otherwise it's not going to be done. And it survived the winter. It started blooming again without any proper care. Hi guys, I just came back from my boot camp. So today I'm going to make my hair. So as you can see, I just made myself a really nice smoothie because I'm feeling healthy. So the lady that wants to make, do you want some Crocs? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, push my to me. I was trying to give you my slipper. So the lady that wants to make my hair, she's here. So I'm just going to do like sort of braid for not too much, something that I can carry for like 2 weeks, something like that. Then she'll come back again, because usually my hair is rubbish when it comes to braids. It just honestly start pulling out because my hair is so soft. Look at my hair. It's honestly speaking, I am going gray, like the ultimate gray. It's crazy. So Lucrece, the last time you can see how my hair,
Yes.
it just went, especially the here. It just honestly went. Hopefully I'll be able to, hopefully this one doesn't cut it though.
I want to show you something.
Okay, so yeah, it's hair day for me. So yeah, she has washed the hair and kind of creamy, but I am going gray. Is this what footy looks like?
Look better.
You know coil, you put it in hot water,
Ah,
then coil.
Coil, yes.
Yeah, but maybe you braid up to here,
Yes. Yes.
then
Yes, I understand.
exactly, that's it.
I'm
Voila.
doing this for normal.
Yeah,
Maybe 5 years, a month ago now.
5 weeks.
Yeah, a month.
5 months ago.
Yes.
Okay, 5 months ago. Okay. No, we didn't bring any cream out. Is that cream enough? The cream. Do we need more cream or?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
I don't know this kind of chair.
It has to be big, big. Maybe because if it's big, big, maybe it will last long. Maybe.
I must speak my mind. Way before you.
So how far we got to go? It's not that much remaining. It's not a lot. So it's looking good.
Wow.
Look, Christ, the hair. It's looking good.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Oh, we almost finished. Yay! I'm looking different. Thank you, Lucrece. So you're going to say hello to my friends?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. The sun.
Yeah, look. It's almost finished. Yes. The hair is all done. So it's not too much. I actually quite like it because it's not like that full. So yeah, it's looking. I actually quite like it. Yeah, exactly how I wanted it. So she's just going to kind of roll the tip and put it in hot water. Then I'll show you the final look. Nearly there. Just putting getting the coils. Yeah.
I just need to.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. I'm all dressed off to church. Yeah. So this is me. You could see all the outfit. Like my daughter was just like, why don't you wear your slippers? Why are you wearing heel? Then I said to her, I was just like, I have all these shoes at home. Usually I was just like, I don't wear my heel. But today I just fancy wearing heel. Like it's not a crime. So by the way, this is the finished hair. You know I was doing my hair the other day. And this is the finished look of the hair. So my hair is not very thick. It was so quick. You know what? At least it kind of put my face together. That's all that matters. I'm actually quite happy. So yeah, so this is me off to church. Definitely say a prayer for you all.